Have a thumbs up. We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controls. 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go into Auton. Flying Saucers wheeling back and scoring. Blue Jays scoring from afar, hoovering up all the artifacts on the first spike mark. That is some beautiful shooting from a long distance. Out of the blue, their partner, kind of frozen, but Flying Saucers making up for lost time here, basically picking up artifacts from the spike marks, coming in, scoring smoothly, accurately, and well. It's always good to see a robot do this efficiently, as the Blue Jays and the Flying Saucers are demonstrating in Auton.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Both blue robots have left. One red robot movement.
3, 2, 1.
Away we go. 20245 now picking up 2 artifacts. Look for the robot with the googly eyes. Their paddle spins it into their spinner, and they get a little jostled by out of the blue. They get a little out of alignment, but still land 2 artifacts in the blue classifier. That is nice. Honors are very much even. Red Alliance ahead by about 10 points. Flying Saucers repeating that good tactic of basically going and scooping up artifacts from the classifier directly. 6-4-4-8. Blue Jays stuck in the red loading corner there, giving a little bit of interference. 2-4-2-6-0 out of the blue, and Flying Saucers both picking up artifacts. Out of the blue, going back to the red base zone here, trying to get in place, trying to jostle. And I don't know if they're foul farming, but you know what? They got a couple of moves. Now they're coming out and spinning around, trying to pick up an artifact. Maybe they need to dislodge one from the system and shooting again. They have a horizontal rotary classifier. It looks like all 3 of the classifiers are full. Maybe they're having an issue with the classifier. Flying Saucers continuing their workmanlike job, picking up artifacts from the field, clearing it from their red classifier, and just picking up directly into an intake. Blue Jays, 6-4-4-8, may be having technical issues. The referee goes over to discuss that. Flying Saucers, meanwhile, continuing for the red out of the blue. Hasn't shot in a while. They are playing defense on 20245. That lands a ball directly in the classifier ramp, but not into the goal itself. Endgame, signaled. 20245, ultraviolet, shooting for blue. Contact there, and they land all 3 of their artifacts beautifully. Good work, ultraviolet. They go in, and they park. 24260. Oh, Blue Jays bumped on red.
The pyramid is built. It's the Red Alliances in favor, with a score of 253 to 117. Upward motion for red, downward motion for blue.